Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
To do social media marketing, we need to know what is on-page SEO. So today we will know about on-page SEO, how to do Instagram SEO, on-page SEO, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, on that platform, how we can do our on-page SEO. So first of all, we will know about what is on-page SEO. You can see my screen and read it. That on-page SEO is the process of inserting relevant points and keywords in your post, and how we will add those relevant points and keywords through in captions, alt text. Alt text means alternative text. I will explain what is alternative text. Okay, subtitles and closed captions to boost the possibility that your content will be displayed to users social media. So that's mean on-page SEO is the process of inserting relevant point and keywords in your post, and how we can add those relevant points and tags and keywords through our caption, through our description, through our subtitle. So here we can see that alt text. What does mean by alt text? Alt mean alternative text. Okay, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, all of that platform. Alt text is a short description used to explain the content of an post. Okay, this could be a photo, video, or whatever, but sometimes it displayed when an image is slow or fail to load. Sometimes we know that our internet got poor and we cannot load the images and videos, okay, or pictures. That time this text will be displayed. Okay, this will tell us that what is behind the picture, or what is behind this picture about. Okay, so that's mean alternative text is used to display when an image is slow or fail to load or is read by screen readers. Okay. Now we will understand the impact of on-page SEO. On-page SEO in Instagram, you need almost 60 plus posts on Instagram. Okay, relevant to your business, or related to your business or your product. Okay, and that will you need to add the profile tags and hashtags, and that will increase your followers 30% more. Okay, it will depend, 30% will increase, it will depend on your hashtags. Okay, on your tags, it will give the engagement rate 55%. Similarly, on Facebook, it will increase the followers engagement through the hashtags, and number of posts should be 60 plus. On Twitter, the same thing, it will increase 12% followers, and you need to add the hashtag, you need to post 30 plus content, and then you need to add the hashtags. So similarly for TikTok and YouTube and LinkedIn. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification, click the bell icon.